From the students of Penn State Meteorology, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Good morning on this Monday, February 2nd, 2015. I'm Andy Moffitt for the Penn State Campus Weather Service. As we take a look at what we're tracking for the rest of this week, we have the winter storm exiting the area that we were experiencing last night into today. Cold temperatures also for overnight lows around 0 degrees certain nights, and a chance of snow on Wednesday, but I don't think that'll be very much snow compared to what we've been dealing with. As we take a live look at the Arboretum right now, you can see that it's snowy on the ground, but they've done a good job of clearing the roads, and it does not look snowy on the roads as we look outside. It is currently 32 degrees. I would think it's an icy mix outside with about 6 miles of visibility. That slight breeze at 6 miles an hour from the west makes it feel like at about 26 degrees. So it's a little bit colder than what it actually is due to the wind chill. As we take a look at temperatures across the region, mostly in the low to mid 30s. We have about 34 at Du Bois and about 33 up here at Williamsport. But as we take a look across the state, things continue with that trend, the low to mid 30s, with the exception of Erie at about 16 degrees, so they're much colder than the rest of the state. In regards to temperature change compared to yesterday, look at Richmond, 31 degrees warmer, so it's much warmer down to the southeast than it is over to the west. We have 9 degrees colder in Detroit and 14 degrees colder in Columbus compared to what it was yesterday at this time. And as we look at Doppler radar, you can see that it is a mixed precipitation event for most of the morning today, with potentially some plain rain working its way to the area. But the main story is this entire system is working its way up to the east, and we shouldn't be dealing with this much longer than early this morning. And as you can see that here, we have most of these snow showers dissipating throughout the area. We shouldn't have much to deal with throughout the day today. But as we work our way into the day on Wednesday, look for another system to affect the area as it works down from the northeast. You can see here we have these chance of snow showers entering the State College area. I wouldn't expect too much accumulation from this, but we'll have to see how this pans out. And as we continue through the day on Thursday, not much snow into the area. As we look at temperatures, you can see that tonight it'll dip down into the about 10 degrees, so it's going to be a chilly night tonight. And as we work our way through the day on Tuesday and into Wednesday, look for temperatures in the low 20s to about 30 degrees. So it's going to be chilly, but the wind chill is going to be the main factor as we work our way into tonight with that breezy wind that we're going to be dealing with. You can see here that we're going to get to about, it looks like we'll get to about -4 degrees at about 10 p.m. tonight. So definitely bundle up if you're going out tonight. -11 in Bradford, and even here in Philadelphia, it'll feel like 2 degrees. So it's going to be very cold across the state with that wind chill. And as we look at today, it's Groundhog Day today, so it's going to be 32 degrees in Punxsutawney with a mix of precipitation, probably ice and snow. It's going to be decreasing in temperatures throughout the day into the lower teens by about 5 p.m. tonight. So it's going to get very cold there for Groundhog Day celebrations. As you look at your forecast for today, you can see 33 degrees with a wintry mix here in State College. I would expect this temperature to decrease throughout the day today, probably getting to about the lower 20s as we head into the afternoon hours. For tonight, it's going to be very cold, 4 degrees for your low with that gusty northwest wind, at 10 to 20 miles an hour with gusts to 25. So that's what's going to bring the wind chill down into the negatives here in State College. And as we look at your 7-day forecast, you can see we have that wintry mix early today, some sun tomorrow, and that slight chance of snow on Wednesday. Definitely going to be cold Thursday and Friday with highs at about 20 degrees, and then a slight chance of snow possible on Sunday. But we'll have to see what that develops into. For the Penn State Campus Weather Service, I'm Andy Moffitt. Thank you, and have a great day.